Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a possible quick fix for your audio issues on your Sony TV with Google TV if you're trying to hook up an external speaker or a sound bar. And what we want to do is switch the audio output and change it to our TV speakers or the PCM format. So on the home screen here, let's go on over to Settings. Now go on down to Settings right here and select this. Now under here, let's go to Display and Sound and select this. Now under here for display and sound, let's go to audio output, adjust to use headphones and audio system. So the first option is TV speakers. We want to switch it over to audio system so we can use our external speakers. Then what we can do is try turning it over to the PCM format. So down here we have digital audio output. Mine is already selected for PCM, but try switching it over to this specifically, and this will switch your audio over, and hopefully this would work on your soundbar now. But look through these options, and hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.